Hello. And welcome back. This is episode 9. My name is Jay. I am the editor at Money Off For You.
And I'm Jill, the coffee and food delivery specialist. You're in the right place to find out where and how to get money off things you are going to purchase anyway.
Let's get to it. We're here to help you save money. Currently, there are more than 160 stores where you can get money off purchases using discounted gift cards, which are like money, but cheaper.
Yes, and 6 of those are in the coffee and food delivery category that we'll cover in this video.
And the rest are in other areas of spend, whether that be at supermarkets, on clothing, or the cinema,
homewares, food deliveries, and so many others.
We have separate videos on the channel where we cover saving you money on these too. Jill, tell us more about how to get this money off.
Will do. Gift cards are available because someone sold them to a reseller website, or because they are bought in bulk. In either case, the stores that have discounts, the quantities available, and the amounts are all limited, so when they are gone, they are gone. Ideally, choose an item you want to buy. Let's say it's £100. Go to the reseller website. Let's say they are offering a £100 gift card with a 5% discount. You buy it for £95, getting £5 off. Pay for the item with the gift card with a £5 saving.
If you are going to buy something in the near future, make sure you are subscribed so we can keep you up to date with the discounts available.
And then act with haste, as they can go at any moment.
Absolutely. And how do you use them?
Using a gift card is usually really easy, but it's best to check the terms and conditions to make sure you're okay with where, when and how they can be used. The gift cards will usually have a barcode for scanning, or a long number and PIN number for typing, similar to a credit card. And when used at checkout, the value of the card is taken off your bill. Pretty simple, money off for you. Some resellers like Cardyard, Jam Donut, Cards to Cash and Hyperjar offer e-gift cards that are immediately available. Top Cashback usually only supply the e-card the next working day, which just requires a bit more planning.
Thanks. And all these resellers have guarantees in place to ensure the process goes smoothly. And this probably contributes to their great or excellent Trustpilot scores. There are links to the reseller sites in the description. Top Cashback is currently offering you £10 free if you sign up and use our referral code. So if you were to buy £100 of discounted gift cards which are discounted by 10%, then you can get £100 of value to spend and save £20. So, a pretty easy way to get that money off. Okay, now for food delivery.
Many of us enjoy getting food delivered, whether it's a less boring lunch or easy weekend meal. You can get money off these too. Just Eat is one of those places where you can add your card to your account straight away after buying, which means the card can't get lost and won't expire. And you will automatically use it on your next purchase. Just Eat currently has 10% off. Perhaps you are thinking, 10%. Is it worth the hassle? Well, imagine you spend £30 a week on food delivery. That adds up to over £1,500 over a year. And 10% off £1,500 is around £150 over a year.
Excellent. Let's go through the food delivery discounts we can get right now, as of Saturday the 1st of March 2025.
We covered Just Eat at 10% off a few moments ago. So next. Uber cards are available at Cards to Cash, Top Cashback and Hyperjar at 5%, 3% and 3%.
Deliveroo cards are available at both Cardyard and Hyperjar at 5% and 3.6%. If this has been helpful so far, then please hit the like button. Now let's look at coffee shops next. Many of us enjoy getting a specialist coffee, and getting it discounted could add an extra spring to your step. The best offer you can get at the moment in coffee shops is with Costa coffee via Cards to Cash at 12%, which, based on a £30 per week spend, means an extra £3 in your pocket.
Starbucks cards are available at both Hyperjar and Top Cashback at 10% and 9%.
Caffe Nero cards are available at Top Cashback, Jam Donut and Hyperjar at 8.5%, 8% and 8%. Some really good ways to get money off there. And that's not all. Check out the channel for even more discounts in other areas of spend. And every Wednesday and Saturday, I'll update you again on the latest discounts you can get.
When you want to get these discounts, there are links to the reseller websites we just ran through in the description, including the top cashback referral link to get that free tenner.
If you share this video with others that want to get money off, I'm sure they will thank you.
We would love to hear your comments about the successes you've had.
If you value this channel, please remember to like and subscribe, so we can continue to keep you up to date on how to get money off.
Thanks for watching till the end, it is appreciated and helps out the channel a lot.
My name is Jay, keep getting money off, see you in the next update.
Bye.